Hi everybody, this is Diana Higuera Cortez, and today I'm going to show you how to create your very first CUNY Commons site. So remember that the CUNY Commons is an online platform used within the CUNY community to facilitate digital projects, learning, creating a network site. You can create personal website, class, course, etc. So here, this is how the website looks like. If you haven't registered, please do so. You have to create an account with your CUNY app, with your CUNY email. But I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login and introduce my information. This is how the platform looks like. So we are going to pay attention to the top menu, which says people, groups, sites, courses, events, activity, and about. These are some of the features that the platform has. So I'm going to click on sites, which it takes me to all sites, to a site directory. But I'm going to pay attention to this black box on the right, create a new site. I'm going to click on it. So now it's giving me three options: create a group, create a site, or create a connected group and a site. Sometimes some faculty members do this for class to interact with students, but in this case, we are going to just create a site. So we scroll down until we see create a site. We click on it, and then it gives us the option to clone an existing site or create a new site. So I'm assuming this is your first CUNY Commons site. We are going to click on create a new site. So now we have to provide some site details. We have, for instance, the site domain. Remember that it cannot be changed. This is the equivalent of the kind of like an internet address. So I'm going to call it, for instance, history class. Okay, it's too long. History project. Okay. I'm going to provide a site title. Okay, so class project for history 101. And then it's not mandatory, but it's asking you for a description. So I'm going to say, for instance, class, I'm going to say the same as the title, class project for history 101. Okay, now it's going to ask me for a campus. I'm going to choose, so I'm going to scroll down, and in my case, I'm going to choose CUNY Graduate Center. And the primary purposes, these are some of the things that you can do on the platform. I'm going to say class project. Okay, now we are down to the privacy options. Remember, think about of that digital footprint, how much of the information that is going to be contained in this project you want to be accessible to the people in the internet. So we have 5 options, from like your site being completely public, and it's going to reach the search engines, or if you just want, for instance, only the administrators, meaning yourself and probably your professor, to see your site. From all these options, the one I believe for a class project is the best is to have the site visible to register users within the CUNY Academic Commons. That way your professor and your classmates can see it. So now we are going to choose the site layout. I'm going to choose my teaching template. Okay, this is the one that I like the most. And I continue to scroll down until I reach create a site. I'm going to click on it. And now I have to wait probably a couple of minutes until the site is created. Let's see this way while we finish the configuration. definitely take some time. Okay, and congratulations. Your CUNY Commons Site, it has been created. You can scroll down, you can go to the site dashboard to customize it, or you can just click on go to site to see how it looks like. This is Class Project for History 101. And that's it for today. Thank you everybody for watching this video, and I hope that you learn how to create your first CUNY Commons Site. Bye.